Yeah, that's right, you've seen it. I've sent back my 55-inch LG OLED. I can't believe I'm saying that. There's one big reason why, which I'll come to in a minute. First off, let me say that it was a great TV. Picture quality was great. Amazing black levels, obviously. Loved the interface of it, the ease of using the apps. It was fast to navigate through the menus and such like. Nice design. We all loved it, but like I said, there's just one thing that was just letting it down, and I just couldn't put up with it anymore. And I feel guilty about encouraging you guys to buy the 55-inch B8 OLED from LG. I apologise for this. I don't mean to mislead you guys and that, but yeah, there is one major reason. Don't know how to say it, but it was just too bloody small. So I got this one instead. That's right, I sent it back and I got the 65-inch version instead. The size of it. So as like the 55, I will be doing an unboxing of it and running through wall mounting and such like again. I'll just show you how big this box is if I can get my partner to hold it.
No.
I'm an old 6 foot. That's the size of the box. It is an absolute beast. Just for a bit of fun. As a size comparison, that is a box for a 27-inch iMac. So you can see what a whopper it really is. So join me on my next video where I should be unboxing this bad boy, and any questions you've got about the TV then feel free to ask, and hopefully I'll get back to you and answer your questions. And any videos if you'd like to see me do on this TV, again I'll try and fulfill your needs on that. So yeah, thanks for joining me, and catch you on the next one.